How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. I just want to say a quick shout out to Jordan at Flywheel Films, hooking it up with the new Rode microphone. Let me know if they sound good. I think I have all the levels right, but usually I run a shotgun microphone and run some audio filtering in each video, hoping that I can skip that step. Let me know if it sounds good. But in today's video, we're doing some GTI modifications, and modifications that I've done on the NC Miata before and found this product. They make the same product for the GTI. And I love the ones that I put on my Miata, and I figured why not throw them on the GTI as well. And what I'm referring to are these license plate lights. So the ones I have here, I've done bulbs before. Bulbs always end up dying, they're never as bright. There's a few storefronts on Amazon that I found that sell integrated housing. So it's a whole new housing that is all one LED unit. Plug and play, you're good to go. These have never gone out on me. They're great. I've had them for a long time, and they don't fade like the OEM ones do. So they've been running on this car for a long time now. Back when I first got the GTI, I put a set of LED bulbs in the license plate lights, and they threw an error. The car thought that the light bulbs were burnt out, but with OBD11, you're able to tune that out. The new ones I have though, they have a little trick up their sleeve. All right, so right here, they come in this little tiny box right here, and the part number is either that or it's that. Either way, the link to this is down in the description below. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so no extra cost to you, but it does help out the channel if you go ahead and order a set of these. And in the box, you get two new whole housings. They look OEM, and you'll notice that they've got this little extra cable coming off. So they plug directly into your OEM harness. There's a whole bank of LEDs inside this housing, and it's super bright. I've already tested it out, looks great. And then this is your CAN bus error delete sensor. Basically what it does is when the car senses that there's less power going to your license plate lights, instead of thinking that the bulbs are burnt out, it will correct that without having to have OBD11. So you guys who don't have an OBD11 or VAGCOM or anything like that, you don't even have to worry about coding it out. Plug and play, easy as that, and really cheap. So let's head over to the car, take out the old ones, throw in our new ones, and then test them out. And just like that, obviously you can't see it, but our new LED housings are installed. They look great, they fit great. I'll turn them on for you guys in a second, but they fit just like OEM, really, really nice. Here are the OEM housing units. You can see the plastic gets really dull, grimy looking, faded, and that's not even dirt, it's just kind of nasty. They're both just worn out from the heat and, you know, dirt and scratches and all that. They're just kind of nasty looking. And then here are the two bulbs that I ran. Obviously the OEM one, and then this is an LED one that I had that burnt out after about 2 years. Not bad, they're not super expensive. I expect these to last much longer. But yeah, instead of just buying these, if you can replace them and you want to replace your taillight bulbs with LEDs, I think this is a way better solution than just spending your money on bulbs over and over. And these fit like OEM, look like OEM, and they're way, way, way brighter. Now you'll have to excuse the dirt. This is my daily, but look at how much brighter that is. And look at how nice they look. Crystal clear LEDs shining really, really nicely. When I tested one of the bulbs at night, it's even brighter. You can see perfectly. But now everything looks great in the rear. Everything is LED, super crisp, super clean. I love it. LED license plate bulbs are one of like the easiest things to do, and it's something that everyone is gonna notice. So if you wanna stand out a little bit, throw some LEDs on your car and you'll definitely be standing out if you're daily driving a stock vehicle around or modified or whatever. So that's really it for this video. I know it's short, I know it's something simple, and a lot of you probably ask, like, why would you even make a video on license plate light bulbs? The point of my channel is I show off pretty much every single modification that I can do to my NC Miata, my GTI. I share everything. I treat it like a blog, the old school like build thread forum stuff. That's kind of how I think about my channel sometimes. So throwing these on, I think you guys will like them. So I'm gonna share them with you. Like I said, link is down in the description. And if you do buy them, it helps the channel. Head down below, pick these up, make your GTI stand out, and the bulbs will last longer than before. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel and you like the GTI, you like the NC Miata, go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.